I'm Tony's RC Tech. Right, I've got another, like, obviously a different unboxing now because it's something I've always wanted, which is a speedboat. And, as you can see in the title, so I looked at a review on this before I bought it, which again, SHEN RC, Stevie. Another plug for you there, mate. I'm going to leave a description below for this channel again, because he done a nice review, like, in the water, and it was proper, like, against him. And this boat was just fighting it all the way, so I was quite happy with that. So I did say to him, I'm going to get one. So I did, and I've got one. And as Steve says, this is a beauty. Anyways, right, so it's made by SGILE, right, JJRC, and it's a speedboat. So I've not even opened this or looked at it, so I'm quite excited. So let's get to it. Right, I've got it the right way, and I've got it the right way. Let's see. Oh, yes. Oh, hey, guys. Oh, on the box, it says 180 flip, 2.4 gigahertz RC, and up to 25 kilometers an hour, which is quite fast on the water. It's got a low battery warning, which obviously everyone wants a low battery warning because you don't want to be getting stuck in the middle of the sea or wherever you're doing it, or the lake, and the battery run out, so you can't retrieve. You have to go swimming. Anyways, so that's a good thing for it, right? Yeah, there's the box there. Nice little box, nice little design on the box as well. Capsize recovery and autocorrect, whatever that is, guys. Autocorrect, yo, I don't know. Anyways, let's get the controller out first. So here's the controller. Do you know what? Nice rubber wheel on there, so that's nice. Actually feels nice as well. It's not clicky or clunky. I think that takes 4 AA's. On and off switch there, and it's got 4 buttons there, which are, I'm just going to have a look on my notes here, right? Forward fine tuning, backwards fine tuning, tuning left fine tuning, and turn right fine tuning. It's got the antenna, obviously LED, steering rudder, and power switch and throttle. Yeah, so that's that. Just let me get back to my notes a sec, right? So, because I've not done an unboxing on a boat, so I'm all new to this, guys, so just bear with me. Right, anyway, so there's the remote control, right? Obviously comes with accessories, right? This is obviously the book to get you started, and it's actually quite a nice little book, actually. It tells you everything about the boat, how to set it up, how to adjust it, so that's quite good, how to adjust it, the remote control and everything, yeah, and it takes 4 AA's, so that's good. So it's basically near enough ready to run apart from the AA's. So it comes with the accessories, quite a few bits, I don't know what they are. All right, so this is a stand, so it comes with a stand, eh? So let's just clip this on here a minute. I'm sure that's how it goes, not looked at it yet. Oh God, oh, it's the other way around. Right there, guys. Here you go. So there's the stand to put your boat on. So that's good. Comes with a USB charger. That's good to get you going. Propeller, to give you a spare propeller. And I'm assuming this goes on the end of the boat to stop it from getting damaged on the end of the boat, which is, that's fantastic. That's a good rubber thing here. It comes with a little spanner as well, and a little nut. Again, don't know what that's for. I think it might be for the rudder. Not the rudder, propeller. Anyway, so let's get to the boat, because that's what I'm excited for. Let me just check it. Oh, here's a battery as well. What's the battery? It's a 600 milliamp, 7.4, 25C. So that's a good, isn't it? Little 2S battery. That's good. Little 2S battery, and it comes with 2 of them, guys. 2 of them. And I can't even move it on. Got it. Right, let's get rid of the box. Wow. Wow. I love it. Is that just not a nice boat, that, guys? I am loving it. And it says something about the boat comes with, let me just check on my notes, guys. Again, bear with me a minute. Bear with me. Materials, impact resistance, ABS plastic. Yeah? And then obviously the boat comes with the two batteries, 27 mile an hour dimensions. The weight of it about 660 grams, built in battery, USB, hexagon wrench, yeah, done all that. So yeah, it's got a self-righting, so if it's underneath like that, it'll just right up again at the same time. Right, again. So there's the stand that comes on, which is a very nice stand. It's quite sleek. It is really sleek. So let me just open this. Again, it's been raining in England. I like that little clip. So there's a little clip there. So you just clip that like that, and there you go. Boom. So it's got that on it. And then just to make it more safer and water-free, it's got another 2 clips. So it's got an locking mechanism, which is there, and there. And then that just pops out. Very nice indeed. So then you've got instructions here, little cover here to make everything in, and there's your battery. So there's the other battery in there, guys, yeah, and it's got like a pump. There's the little motor there. So do you know what? I'm liking this, guys. Again, the motor. Let's have a look at the motor, see what it says about the motor. Let me have a look. Does it say anything about the motor? Surely to God, it's got to say something about the motor. See, when I do it, I just do it as it is. As it is. Speed motor. Come on, where's the specs? Oh, charging time's 120 minutes, which is good. And the distance as well, 150 metres. That's way good, that. And 10-minute driving. Again, that depends on how fast you're driving. If you're proper blasting it, it'll be 10 minutes probably. A bit more as well. It doesn't say what the battery descriptions, yes. Material. Sorry guys, I'm just going on a bit here, because I just wanted to, it doesn't say nothing about the motor, but it probably says something about the motor in there. So there it is, guys. So you clip that back on there. Again, SHEN RC does a full good review on it. So that clicks in dead easy. Click, 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 click. That's in. That's in. And oh, that's my fault. And that's in. And that's it, guys. It's also got a little tube here. And I'm assuming as the water it's going in, that's flipping out there. The propellers are fantastic. And there you go. There's a little servo there, the rudder. I'm assuming that's a rudder. I think it is. Anyway, so there's the boat from SGILE, right? JJRC. It's called the Latitude. Well, that's what it says on there anyway. But I'm really liking it, and I can't wait to test it out when it stops raining. When it stops raining. We had brilliant weather, and now we're not. So anyway, guys, that's just a quick review. I hope it was quick. Hope you like my new boat. Can't wait to test it out. It's going to be rapid. Again, thanks guys for watching my channel, and again, thanks for your subs, thanks for all your kind comments and that. It's just amazing. You are. I love you all. Alright guys, so that's Tony's RC Tech out. Boom.